So this is what's happening in Istanbul right now. It's almost 3 a.m. and everyone's, as you can see, turning on and off their lights at the windows, and the people's voices just protesting. Oh my god, look at this. To be honest, like I'm not afraid to sound cheesy or whatever, but today for the first time in a while I felt alive. Seeing the people, finally speaking out like this is just so beautiful and so powerful, and I feel like I am not alone in this. Nobody's alone in this, and today has proven that for sure.